Hello, dear viewers, and welcome. Welcome to another Voxel Miner devlog. This devlog is all about sounds and game feel, with some minor gameplay tweaks. First off, we have the Golem's attack. Now it is faster, and also the Crystal Gecko's attack has become slower. The next step was adding sound and screen shake to the player's attack. Next up was this devlog's only new feature, enemy drop tables. Enemies can drop health and or gold on death. Here's the initial implementation along with its code. And finally, I have updated the gold ore and enemy drops.